Connecting to the power supply. Connect the automatic wire feeder signal line. Connect compressed air or nitrogen, select according to the material to be processed. Open the case and fill the chiller with water. When the water level rises to the green area, the filling is complete. Install the wire guide. Install the welding wire and fix the welding wire on the wire feed wheel according to the video operation and enter the wire guide tube. Operate the automatic wire feeder to feed the wire until the wire emerges from the other end of the wire guide tube. Install and fix the wire guide tube. Tips: adjust the wire guide installation according to the distance from the welding nozzle head. Turn on the welding machine. When the water temperature reaches about 22 degrees Celsius, turn on the laser power. Debug welding parameters. Start welding. Remove the wire guide tube. Replace the cutting nozzle. Set the sweep width parameter to 0 and the power to above 700 W. Start cutting. Remove the welding head. There is a fixed top screw on the side. Remove the connecting parts and replace it with the cleaning head. Replace the focusing lens for cleaning. Click to switch to cleaning mode, restart the machine, and complete the cleaning mode switch. Start cleaning.